In the diagram, 3 points A, B, and C are on level ground. The bearing of B from A is 0.3 degrees. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. And angle ACB is equal to 40 degrees. Grace and peace to you, and welcome back to my second video on bearings. This is Donald Siami, author of Hidden Mathematical Genius Within Revealed. Okay, so here's the question. Find the bearing of A from C. Find the bearing of A from C. So to find the direction or the location of A with regards to C, we get the line AC. Okay, so let's have the line AC. So we have A there and C. Okay, so the bearing of A from C, so we go to C, you draw a vertical line, then you move from north, then clockwise direction. So you shift from north, then you move clockwise direction up to the line going to A. So that should be the bearing of A from C. Okay, then here, when you have a vertical line there, the angle there, we know that it should be, so from here to there, we have 35. Then this angle inside, we know that for us to have the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So here we have 90 plus 40, you get 130. Then 130 subtract from 180, you get 50. So the angle there is 50. So 50 plus 35, you get 85. So the angle there is 85 degrees. Okay, then the other thing which we know is that this angle, 85 degrees, is also equal to the angle here. This one is also 35 degrees. These angles are alternate angles. Since these two lines are parallel, this is a vertical line and this is a vertical line. We know that if this is vertical and this is vertical, it means they are parallel. And we have a transverse line here. So these two angles are alternate. So if that is 85 and that is 85 degrees. So to find the size of this angle, it will be, this is angles in a straight line, they add up to 180. So we have 180 plus 85 there. So therefore, the bearing of A from C is, so we are going to have, it's 85 degrees plus 180 degrees. So this will give us 265 degrees. Okay, so the bearing of A from C is 265 degrees. So that is the answer. We go to B. B, find the bearing of A from B. Find the bearing of A from B. A from B. So we get the line AB. Okay, so we have the line AB. We have A there and B there. Okay, so from B. So we draw a vertical line from B. Okay, again we start from north. Then you move clockwise direction up to the line going to A. So that is the angle there. Okay, and here we know that there is a vertical line again here, and the angle there is 35 degrees. Okay, again we can see that this line and this line are parallel, they are vertical lines. So if that angle is 35, even that angle will be 35. They are alternate angles. So even that angle will be 35 degrees. Okay, so the bearing of A from B will be that angle. Again, we can see that from here to here, this is 180 because it's making a straight line, and we have 35 there. So it starts 35 degrees plus 180. So that is the bearing of A from B. Okay, so therefore the bearing of A from B is, so we have 35 degrees plus 180 degrees. So what is 180 plus 35? Yes, we get 215 degrees. 215 degrees. So that is the solution. That's how you perform calculations to do with bearings. Thank you so much for your time.